Hey YouTube, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick video of what I'm working on right now, my next little project while Dave is away at work. We are going to be installing a 14-inch Heiss light bar in the front center of the bumper. This is a 2001 F-350. I just wanted to really show you guys how super simple it is to remove the front bumper. All you need is an 18mm socket, a breaker bar, an impact, whatever tool you guys wish to use. So I'll show you 6 bolts, super easy. Take a look. So on the front of the truck, there are 2 bolts here on this side that have to be removed. And there are also 2 bolts on this side that have to be removed. There is a backing plate behind, and that will come off as well. The bolts just go into there. It has the nuts attached to it. Makes it super simple. So in addition to the 4 bolts that have to come out on the front of the bumper, there are also 2 bolts in behind. There is a bracket, this triangle bracket here, that stays on the bumper itself. So all you have to do is remove these bolts here on either side. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.